Hello students, welcome to this Frames 5 video tutorial on the butterfly part 7. Please open Frames 5 from your application screen and open the butterfly file. So in the previous tutorial we animated one element, a baseball cap, blowing from the right edge of the frame off the left edge of the frame. So we're going to add a few more elements to finish this file. Okay. So I want you to find the frame that you first introduced the baseball cap. So for me that was frame 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so what I want you to do is I want you to advance a few frames so that the hat is well clear of the right edge of the frame. Because what we're going to do is we're going to introduce a second element now. So I want you to make sure that you've got enough room to introduce the second element so that it's not going to interfere with that other element that's already spinning, the baseball cap. Alright, so from the right edge of the screen, let's click on the library panel. And you may have to click on the home button to return to this screen. So if you have to do that, click on the home button. Okay, so let's double click clip art and let's advance down. Let's use the slider and go all the way down and go to sports and leisure. So let's double click sports and leisure. Alright, let's double click on sports. And what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to look for a tennis racket. So let's see if they have one here. Alright, so they do. So hopefully you have access to this clip art. It's called tennis. So let's click on that clip art and click on the green arrow to insert it into our frame. Let's reduce the size. And again, you can rotate it. You can have it enter in any position you want. I'm just going to leave it as it is. And again, I'm going to introduce it on the on the right edge of the frame here with just the handle or the grip. Okay? So let's use a similar pattern that we did last time. So let's click on copy. Make sure you've clicked on that racket. Click copy. Then in your timeline, so what you might want to do is, because I started so far into my movie or my animation, I'll just use the slider so that I can see a lot of the frames in front of me. Remember, this is the frame that I'm on because it's highlighted in blue. So let's click on the next frame and let's click paste. Let's go up to view and turn on the onion skin. Let's move the racket slightly to the left. Okay? Then click copy, then click paste. Then click on the next frame, then click paste. Then move that racket slightly to the left. Continue the pattern, copy, click on the next frame, then click paste. That onion skin is going to be very helpful in positioning our racket movement. Copy, then click on the next frame, then click paste. Copy, click on the next frame, and then click paste. Copy, click on the next frame, and then click paste. Okay, so now that I've moved the racket significantly away from the right edge of the frame, I would like you now to introduce a third element that's also going to be blowing across the screen. Now, I'm going to let you be creative here. And again, you want to inject a little bit of humor and comedy into your animations. So give me something a little bit unexpected that's going to be blown by the wind. I also want you to remember to go back and rotate all of these elements slightly in each frame like we did with the baseball cap. So I'm actually not going to take you through all the steps now. I want you to use what you've learned in the previous tutorials to complete this animation. Alright, you might also want to change and go back and adjust your credits page so that it reflects your current class. Okay? Alright, so good luck. This concludes this animation project on the butterfly. Please save your work and call Mr. Ueda over to show him your completed animation. Thanks for watching. Bye.